Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fade in and out in DaVinci Resolve. I'm just provide two way. It's a very super easy. So in the first way, go to effect, click on and go to video transition. Select this. This is a fade in and out effect. Just drag the area. Just add this. So look here, it's fade in and I'm just add out the same. Okay, and it's out. Okay, or if you want to add middle point, so clip. So at first separate this clip. I'm just separate and add this side and look here, now successfully add this. And the second way, just add new clip again. So simply you need to just drag this corner, select. Okay, so look here, now add this and I'm just add the last point same way. Okay, and now it's add. Or if you want to add middle part, so at first separate this clip and just separate this clip and add this effect. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can do it.